Hi everyone. In today's video, we'll explore a fun English conversation to help improve your listening skills. Follow Emma and Lily as they talk about what they need to buy. This video is divided into 2 simple steps. Step 1. Listening practice with the conversation. Step 2. A short test based on what you heard. So, get ready to improve your English and have some fun. Let's get started.
Hi, Lily. Do you want to go shopping today?
Hi, Emma. Yes, that sounds fun. What do you need to buy?
I need a new dress for a party.
Well, let's go to the mall.
Great. I also need some shoes to match the dress.
Perfect. We can check the shoe store after.
Do you need anything?
Yes, I need a new handbag. Mine is too old.
Let's look for handbags first, then my dress.
Good idea. I hope we find some great deals.
Maybe we can grab a coffee afterward?
That sounds great. I love coffee breaks during shopping.
Oh, I also need some accessories. Maybe a necklace?
Yes, a necklace will complete your look.
I hope we find everything today.
Me too. Shopping together is always fun.
Let's go and make it a great day.
In this part, you will answer questions about the conversation you heard. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!